What's up, guys? So back with another one, y'all. Yeah, so what we finna be doing today, y'all. This is my first time ever trying to um I'm gonna bleach and pluck my lace, guys. My daughter right here, so she kind of like threw me off, y'all. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm gonna bleach and pluck my lace front for the first time, y'all. And y'all, pray for me, cause I think I got this, but I hope I just literally do not mess it up, y'all. So I got me a little bob lace or whatever into the hair store and got me a lace. And so I want to try to learn to do it on my own instead of paying someone. So this is how it looks. So we're gonna take I got some things from the hair store. I got some got to be glue. So when I put on my stocking cap, let's lace it down. And this is the pack that I'm gonna be pouring into the bowl. I paid $2.99 for this. We're gonna open the pack, y'all, and we're gonna pour this pack into a bowl. And let me see. I don't have, okay, this is it, y'all. Okay, so now that everything in there, I gotta put some of this in there to mix it. Oops, I gotta make sure that it's the right amount, not too much and stuff. So I just still gotta pour a little bit more. I gotta make sure. So yeah, we're gonna put that in there and we're just gonna start mixing it. Okay, guys, I gotta put some more because it's not enough. Okay, so now let's mix it again. Okay. And it's, as you can see, it's mixture pretty good. That's how you want it. You don't want it too wet or too grippy. It smells so strong, y'all. So this is my lace now. I'm gonna take all of this stuff off of it. I wanna put that. So, you see this whole part right here in the lace. It's got to get it have to be bleached, guys. So we're gonna hold it like this, and we're just gonna basically bleach it. We just gotta pray that it's enough of formula to bleach for the whole lace. Hold on, guys. All right, so y'all, let's pray that it's enough of formula to do the whole little lace, because basically we're gonna just put it on here and smooth it down. There's my lace. She needs knots. I think I got it, y'all. Really, it's not a doubt in my mind that I does not have it. I really think that I'm gonna do great. I think it's all common sense. But we'll see how much of common sense it is, because something could be common sense, and if you don't know how to do it, you don't know how to do it. So I'm not gonna say that it's all common sense, because some things that's common sense can be the hardest things to do, so just gonna go ahead on and just bleach my little lace. But honestly, I know I'm gonna do good. I got this first time, y'all, but I got this. I'm gonna make sure I get every little corner because it's some right here that I gotta make sure that I get too. Cause like the reason is of doing this is like when you park it and stuff, you want it to look like a natural park. You want it to look natural, like it's your hair. So that's what this is all about. All this right here is for. So yeah. But we're gonna do this. And then we're gonna put us aluminum foil over it when we done. And let it sit for a while. For maybe about an hour, y'all. So once it sit for like an hour, then I can take it and wash it off and get it all together, y'all. And I want y'all to come with me on this journey to see if I got this. But y'all, don't pick on me if I F it up. Cause remember, y'all, this is my first time ever, so don't laugh if it's not right. Cause it's always a first time. I mean, always another time to go back and make it right. So now that I have that whole little piece done, oh Lord, I can't get this on my lace because y'all, this will dye my lace, and I'm not trying to dye my lace. I'm just trying to pluck the little piece. So I gotta get some aluminum foil to put some aluminum foil on this. Just wait, y'all. Hold on, guys. Y'all look, so I done put the aluminum foil over it so it can dye it quicker and faster that way. So yeah, we're gonna let it sit like this for a minute, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I look when I get ready to wash it out and rinse and everything else. Stay tuned. Okay, so y'all, I got my stocking cap on or whatever and whatnot. I'm gonna spray my got to be glue around my edges, y'all. Cause y'all know that's where you gotta be for now I spray my got to be glue. I'm gonna put this plug is blow dry up, y'all. Let's take this part off. Blow dry. Hold on. Oh my God. Yeah, not that one.
Mommy, this for
Let's spray it again because I want to make sure that is
Mommy, look
hard.
This for a large lady. Oh. Ow. Got my hand.
Okay.
You put that on your ear?
Yeah.
You doing your makeup?
Yeah.
I want lipstick.
Alright, y'all. So now I done put my little lace down. So now I'm finna put some powder and stuff on it to make it dark, y'all. Oh Lord. Y'all. Oh Lord. It's the first time for everything, y'all. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. When you ain't got the funds and stuff like that, you gotta learn how to do it yourself. You don't, that's the point. You gotta get in there and try. Shit. Because that's exactly what I'm doing. Trying. Y'all, this ain't dark enough because I already could see it. My daughter gave me this powder right here. And it ain't doing nothing. Like, literally nothing. I got some other kind right here. I don't know, should I put it on there like this or something? I don't know. And make it up like this. I don't know. Hold on, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. Because I'm just trying to make it dark and look like, you see, y'all, make it look tinted a little bit or something. That's what I'm trying to basically do. Cause this light powder right here, what she gave me, is not doing nothing at all for this thing. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this dark color and smear it in with this light color to bring it out. It look like it's doing a little better than it was. I hope it ain't too bright, y'all. Just don't want to be too bright looking, but that look a little better. Yeah, that look a little bit better. So now we finna put all this up, y'all. Put lace on here. So now we finna get ready to wash our lace, and then we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it and we're gonna wash it, and then we're gonna put it, dry it. Wait. Where's the, okay, look at the shampoo. Trying to make sure I have everything in place. Excuse me when I do this. So now what I want to do is this the shampoo that I'm gonna use to rinse it with. So I'm gonna use this. I'm finna wash it out right now because I don't want to leave it in too long and it be too dark. So I'm finna just wash it out because I don't want it to be too bleached, if you know what I mean. So let's get to it, y'all. So here we go. We're finna wash it out and see what it comes to. Okay. So now we done washed it out. That's the way it's bleach, y'all. It did bleach. So let's put the shampoo in, and it didn't do too much crazy looking and stuff. So that's kind of a good thing too. That's always a good thing. You know, you don't want the lace bleach over bleached. So gonna shampoo it. Wash it out. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just really into washing this shampoo and stuff out of it. That's what I'm really so quiet. Trying to focus on getting all the shampoo and stuff out. So I'm doing is getting all the shampoo from up there. Okay, y'all. So everything is out, and as y'all can see, so yeah, I guess I just gotta wash it because it came on the front of my lace, so the shampoo, so I gotta wash it so I can dry it next. All right. Ooh, my what's the name for y'all? But it definitely look good, y'all, cause I it look good. I think I did a good job. See the knots and stuff. It looked like a regular natural scalp. So yeah, the same thing that I did to this right here on top of this, the same thing I would be doing to the lace to make it fit in. Let me dry it some with the towel. I'm finna blow dry, guys. Okay, y'all, let's spray this glue on here to get ready to lay it down, because my head is just too small for this, because this glue spraying like literally everywhere. This shit smell like got to be. Got to be probably is glue too. Oh Lord, this stuff is all over the lace. Like, it's all over the lace. The lace finna get glued together. Okay. Oh my God. Y'all. This is ridiculous. Like, my hold on, y'all. Somebody calling me. That's Pee Wee, child. We ain't worrying about Pee Wee right now. Let's get this glue down on this lace. Let's get this lace glued down real good. And oh my God, y'all, look, I ain't even see this right here. This you could literally, that's too much right there. Oh Lord. Okay. No, y'all, so it's really gluing it down, but it's like, y'all, this look effed up already. I done effed up already, y'all, because my hair finna be literally froze together. Let's just put the blow dryer on. jumped so hard and it sprayed. It came all the way like on the outside of my lace. So now my lace is like literally hard right here. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, I done messed some stuff up. Like, got the flat on it. Alright, so that is the, yeah, it's a face, but it kind of look like a wig the way I done messed it up. Is looking like a wig. So what do we do, y'all? Y'all, me, first time, don't ever do it again. Thank you guys for liking. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys, for more. But anywho, I'm gonna snatch this baby off. But thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. But y'all, I'm gonna put back on my old lace that was already cut and put together. So now all I gotta do is just do a little slick, whoop, whoop, bang, bang, home it. Do my little edges down, y'all. And then call it a day. So this one, y'all, with my little I think I'm gonna put some got to be spray on because got to be spray to be for Alright, so here we go, y'all. Let's put a little bit of gel, because once we put a little bit of gel and then put a little bit of got to be, because the got to be on hard and then it's gonna make it real hard. It got to be spray. So we got that gel on there. There they go. And we also got this. I'm gonna do it like this. Down like that. And then here it got me, y'all. So that's how that side look, y'all. And then let's do this side. I'm putting some little bit of glue up under here. You know. Yeah, that's my lace. Y'all, it's cute. I know. I ain't know how to do the bob, but yo, I got this one.